They thought you would react. They thought their words would crush you, make you crumble, or ignite your anger. But you didn't give them the satisfaction. Instead, you chose silence. And that silence is killing them. Because in your silence, they are left with their own words. Words that echo back at them. Words that reveal more about who they are than about who you are. People who disrespect you often thrive on your reaction. They want your attention, your energy, your anger. They expect you to fight back, to defend yourself, or to explain your worth. But your silence, that's a response they never see coming. It's the most powerful answer you can give. When you stay quiet, it forces them to confront an uncomfortable truth. You don't need their validation. And that burns, because suddenly their disrespect has no power. Their insults fall flat. The control they thought they had over you slips through their fingers. Your silence becomes a mirror, a reflection of their own insecurity and bitterness. It exposes the weakness they try to project onto you. Silence doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're wise. You're smart enough to know that respect isn't demanded, it's commanded. You don't have to stoop to their level to prove anything. Your silence speaks volumes. It says, I'm above this. And as you focus on your growth, your goals, and your peace, they are left wondering, why didn't they react? Did I go too far? Was I wrong? It is at them. It lingers. Because nothing confuses and disarms disrespect more than dignity. Your silence is their punishment. Your calm is their chaos. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them disrespect. Because your silence isn't weakness. It's strategy. It's power. It's peace. And when the time is right, your actions will speak louder than any words. So the next time someone disrespects you, don't waste your energy explaining, agreeing, or reacting. Stay silent. Let them feel the weight of your absence. The power of your self-control and the strength of your character. Because in the end, your silence doesn't just protect your peace, it destroys the illusions of control. Remember, not every battle needs words. Sometimes your silence is the loudest statement of all.